right, guys. Hey, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Welcome, and guess what time it is, y'all? It's 1:25. I'm starting a shift late today because in the morning I wasn't feeling good at all. I was like, nope, I'm not going into work today. Maybe later on, and feeling much better right now, and I'm on my way at Walmart, y'all. And our goal of today, since we're starting late, maybe 100, over 100. If I get over 100, I'm a big good. I'm a big good, and I hope today it's a good day. I hope we get orders, and let's talk, y'all. How is Spark in your city? Is Spark sparkling in your city, or is dead? Because I have a friend of mine, she do Spark, but in her area Spark is dead. And she don't know if there are too much drivers on the road. She don't know if like there is not orders at all. She don't know, but Spark is dead. And it's been months. So what about you? If a Spark driver, how is Spark in your area? Hmm? How easy, y'all? How easy? So I have a few minutes to get to Walmart, and I will see you guys when I get my first order. You guys, I just delivered my first order. They gave me a shopping order. $11, 3 mile. I only shopped for one item. And the people who came in the morning, they told me today was super slow. So my plan, I'm not trying to be too selective because I know I might end up not getting orders. So, and I just received another one, shopping order, $13, 2 mile. I'm only shopping for two items. So I'm a little bit away from Walmart, and I'm on my way going there. It's been 30 minutes without getting an order, and I just got an order, shopping orders. Look like they have a lot of shoppings today. Shopping order, $15 to 2 miles. 2 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 7 items. I just received another order, $25. 4 mile. I'm going to shop. It's a shopping order, y'all. I'm shopping 35 stuff. It's okay. When it comes to shopping, I shop like I'm fast at shopping. So with $25, I really don't mind because this is only maybe gonna take me less than 30 minutes to shop. So I'm okay. Plus, it's very slow. So I don't got no time to be what's the word? To be too selective. It's slow. So this order is gonna take me to $77, y'all. And it's 5:21. And it might be my last order because I only have like 30 minutes more to work. So my goal of the day is I'm not gonna make it, but hey, be thankful. So I have to be thankful for $77 because I didn't even have that money. So yeah, let's be thankful for everything, y'all. Let's be thankful. So I'm thankful I worked this $77 and I came 2 o'clock and now it's 5. And how many hours? 3, 4? I don't know. So yeah, guys. You guys, I just finished with the shopping order. It took me a minute. It took me a minute because many of the items that she bought was not in the store. Like they keep changing. I go here, it's not there. They give me another location, it's not there. So it took me a minute. Like 5 of our stuff for items they didn't have in the store. They keep sending me different locations. Yeah, but other than that, I am going to deliver it. I have about 8 minutes to get there. I am done with the shift, yo. I am done, and I don't remember if I shared with you how much I made. I don't remember, but when I came, I said my goal was 100, but unfortunately, we didn't make 100. I made $77. So yeah, and I thank God because it was super slow, y'all. It's super slow. I don't know what's going on with my area. Since last Friday, it's been going slow, like that slow. But we're gonna keep showing up because I don't see myself working another gig work. I used to work a DoorDash, Uber Eats, and sometimes ride share. But SparkDriver is the only thing that pay me a lot of money. I worked DoorDash for 2 years, y'all. I worked DoorDash for 2 years, and once they accept me in SparkDriver, in Spark Driving, I quit DoorDash and I only focus on Spark Driving, and I make a lot of money than what I was making in DoorDash. Yeah. And I used to do two apps at a time, but I was like, no, I'm wasting my time during because on Spark Driving, you have to be near Walmart to prioritize to get orders. So if I keep taking DoorDash order and keep taking me away from Walmart, of course I'm not gonna give Walmart orders because I'm not near Walmart. So that's why I quit DoorDash. I only focus on Spark Driving. Yeah, and I hope it's not going away, to be honest. I hope couple more days it's gonna be okay. And yeah, I'm gonna keep sharing how it is. I'm gonna keep sharing what I make a day. And yeah, anyway, thank you for watching, you guys. I love you guys, and stay safe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. And every time you like, you guys, it helps with the YouTube to send my video to other people. So please go ahead and like if you enjoyed this video. Bye.